friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Download, and today in NXCAD in design feature we will discuss on this emboss feature. So before we will click, just okay, select a plane, and first I have to draw a geometry and just zoom this again, and now I will choose this offset. First I am creating a feature for emboss body. Now I will pattern this. I will choose this circular. I specify center point. This is center point, and reverse the direction, and I will change this and click OK. Close, finish, and extrude and symmetric. Okay, this is the surface where I want the emboss feature, and create a new plane. Select this and click. Drag this. Okay, now I want to sketch on this new plane, so select this and take this rectangle. Now draw a rectangle. Finish this. And now in the menu, in insert and design feature, we have this emboss. Select the curves and face to emboss. Select the feature face, so all the faces will select automatically. Now this is plane of selection, so it will come with respect to plane. With respect to plane, it is, and preview and rotate this will the resultant. Now I want to change it to draft emboss face. Let's choose a value 9 and preview, so it will offset 9, or we can reverse this. Possible, not possible in reverse direction, so I change the dimension. Just click, rotate a bit. Now I will drag with this handle. Here it is, and click OK. So it will emboss with respect to curve. So this is my emboss feature. You can create this emboss like this. So thank you for watching, and keep watching. See you then.